Assalamu alaikum wa barakatuh. Welcome, brothers and sisters, to my channel Faisal Adib. I hope that you are well. It's time to start a new course, inshallah. For beginners also, from zero to the next level. So, what is this course? It's about Java 8. Why Java 8? I like this version, yes. This why I have choose Java 8 or JDK 8.1.8. No, it is not the case, but because I am Java developer since 15 years, and this version is very, very important. I will talk about different versions from Java 1.0 until Java 8. There are another version, of course. Now I think we are in 11 version, but this version is very, very important. So the roadmap of this course will be like this. The first topic, it's very, very important. Okay, it's the most important topic. And maybe you know it. You have listened from this topic from different YouTube video and others tutorial. It's about Lambda expression. Yes, it's very important topic for this version. And the second one, or the second chapter topic I will talk about, and it's about new type of interface. What is this new type? It is functional interface. Okay, this functional interface will be used to call Lambda expression, inshallah. What we can talk about also, the third topic. This third topic, if you are a Java developer, you know in interface you can use only abstract method or a variable with type public static final. Okay? In Java 8, there are two types of methods that you can use. The first one is default method, and the second one is static method. That's two types of method. After this, I will show you some predefined functional interface. There are a lot of. I will talk about predicate, consumer, function, and supplier. That's this predefined interface, and we'll talk about more detail for another predefined function interface. Okay? Sorry. After this, what we have? We have double colon in C++. I don't know if you are a developer C++. So in Java 8, they have introduced this notion of double colon, but it isn't the same thing. It is for the same purpose. No, it's different purpose between C++ and also Java 8. Okay? For Java 8, the double colon will be used for method reference and also constructor reference. But I will, of course, explain in detail when I access this chapter. After this, I will talk about the second important topic in Java 8. What is this second important topic? What is it? It is stream concept or stream API. Don't worry. All of this concept will be explained in detail, inshallah, with example, of course. With example, it is directly to practice directly, inshallah. And the last topic will be date and time related to the library. It's called JDaTime. It's very used with in Java for managing date and time, and now it's directly introduced in Java 8. So I will show you some method how to manage date and time, inshallah. So there is a roadmap about this course, and it will contain also a lot of video with a lot of example. So just follow this course step by step to understand very well Java 8. And for me, because it's a very important version, there are a lot of versions when Java change some concept. So I will make some introduction about all the version and you we start inshallah in next video the first topic about Lambda expression. So let's make a brief story about different versions of Java. So Java has been introduced in 1995, if I remember exactly the year. It's the first version, so the version 1 by Sun Microsystems. And after this, it appears the version 1.1. There is no big difference. And the next version is be 1.2, and here I have introduced new concept. It's called the collision framework. Okay. After this, there are two another version without any important feature. So in version 1.3 and 1.4, it's small. We call them small version, not with big change. Okay, but in version 1.5, they have introduced a lot of feature, a lot of, such as we have for each loops, generic concept, annotation, var args, and different thing. Also annotation and different. After this, it comes version 1.6 and 1.7 without big difference or without a new feature, and Java 1.8 has come with all the features that we have talked before in the roadmap. We showed you one by one, inshallah, in the day. Don't worry about this. And there are another version, of course, 1.9, 1.10, 12, 13, and now it's 14. I think Java have skipped the version between 1.9 until 1.13, because I think they recommend for all developers now to use directly version 1.14. Okay? So I will explain you, inshallah, in this course, the concept or new feature in Java 1.8, because for me it's very important. It's a big jump from the previous version of Java to the new version of Java. Why? Because in this version there are three goals or three main concepts or the main purpose. The first one, what is the first one of this version? The first thing is to simplify programming. Yeah, what I mean by here. It's simplified to make the code very useful, to write less code than before in previous version. The code will be more readable and also will be very easy to maintain. Okay, so that is the first goal or the first concept. The second one, what is the second one? Is to enable something that exists in a lot of language, the programming language, Angular, JavaScript, a lot of. It is to enable functional interface using, of course, Lambda expression. And the third one, what is the third? When you buy your computer, you see always the number of the core. Okay? How many core? It is multi-core, but how many? 2, 4, etc. So, the third concept is to use all this core of your computer, because before version Java 1.8, you can't use them. But with the new version, you can use all the core of your computer with Stream API, inshallah. Okay, now these three goals of this version, or three important concepts. And don't worry about this version. Don't tell it is very hard version. No, I will try to simplify all these concepts one by one, step by step. Each time when I talk about topic, I will go to the computer and I will make an example. Okay? Don't worry, inshallah. Just practice when I do it. Just practice. And I hope that will enter very easy to your memory, inshallah. Okay? So don't worry, make the change as different. If it's not the case, maybe you are now a Java 8 developer and more. You are professional. I repeat, this course is for beginners. Okay, but because a lot of new Java developer, when they start to develop in Java, they don't start directly with Java 8. They must understand the previous concept. It's very important before to jump to Java 8. Okay? So, it's for beginners. If you are advanced developer, you can see this course for new things. Maybe you don't know how to use them. You can see. It's open for all persons. It's free. So just follow, I repeat, step by step. Make the change. Make it not very quickly, don't very quickly, but just make it. Just make the first jump. Okay? Do it. Please do it. Step by step to the new version, inshallah. So let's begin. And I see you, inshallah, in the next video to talk about Lambda expression. Thank you, brothers and sisters, to have follow this video. If you like it, I know it's not the time to make the course, but if you like it, maybe you like this concept, or you have been passionate to start this course, like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel if it is first time to see my channel, and see you inshallah for the next video. Goodbye. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.